What's up, guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. Today is October 27th, Tuesday, and I made one trade today. It was a small loser, lost $1 plus $2 commission, so overall down $3 today. Not really anything I'm too concerned about. I didn't make any trades yesterday, that's why there was no video, and just made the one trade today on XLNX. Reason is because they had news of a merger with AMD. So AMD confirms $35 billion purchase of XLNX. And basically, if you hold XLNX, you receive 1.7 shares of AMD. And if you do the math right now, that would equal 143 per share for XLNX. However, right now it is only trading at 125, so it did get up around there pre-market, but still didn't even tap that number. So there's tons of selling pressure right now on this. Fair enough though, because it is gapped up quite a bit here today. It started with like a pretty huge gap up, like 15%. So probably just people selling, taking their profits. I was watching though this previous high. This is kind of the trade idea. Is this previous high here was at 123.78. This pivot high, you can see that's right here. And these were my two kind of resistances, this being the all-time high for the stock. And we were somewhere in this this range here when the market opened. We were at about 129, so like up here. And this thing immediately just sold off so hard to this level, so I thought, okay, this is probably my chance. It's probably going to sell off hard to this level, bounce, and then like rip up to at least 133, maybe higher to that 140 target based on the news here, the 143 target. But I'm not really sure why it sold off so hard. I wouldn't even be surprised if it was like trading at 140 right now, but it really just sold off. So yeah, very unexpected, but luckily I didn't really take too big of a hit. If I didn't even know what news it was, if that wasn't swaying my opinion, this looked weak. This stock looks super weak. I don't like it at all. Yeah, I guess it just didn't really work out today. So this was sort of the entry here. So this is the open here. There's no pre-market showing, and we opened in just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red 3-minute candles in a row. So like that is an insane amount of sell pressure right off the bat. And you can see the 9 EMA started to come up here. This was that previous high I mapped out around 124. It was actually a bit lower, but around here. And also, if you do a Fibonacci retracement, the sell-off lined up with the 382, so I decided to go long right here. I bought 3 shares. I bought 3 shares at 124.74, marketed myself in, and then just held. And this thing, I was hoping it would pop right off that that level, this daily level, but it kind of just like drug along here, which was a sign of weakness. And then when we finally did get a move up, it was super slow and sluggish. And number one thing is look at the volume. There's absolutely no green volume. Like for instance, contrast to SRRK, this one is ripping today. That's the kind of volume you want to see in a strong stock, not something like this. AMD is looking weak too, like big red sell-off candle. Look at that. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 10 red 3-minute candles on the open, and then now it's just kind of like drifting back upwards, but still below VWAP. And SPY's selling off, so basically all these factors just coming into play. This just does not, the stock just didn't pump today. Basically, it just didn't move up. So I ended up selling my shares at 124.41 for a $1 loss and paid an additional $2 in commissions. So that's fine. Honestly, like I just cut it when I saw that it was sluggish and it didn't have the volume I wanted. And this thing kind of just looks like a bear flag to me. I would expect this to have a sharp drop sometime later in the day. There really isn't that much to decipher. It was a good setup. It just didn't work. You can see that pretty much all the stocks on watch today are all just, except for SRK, but that wasn't a gapper. But all the gappers today, these are AMD and XLNX, and these two are the leading gappers today. Just all weak and slow in action. So yeah, that's going to be it for me. I'll just take that $3 hit and wait for a brighter day. something with some actual follow-through or action. This news plus this support level on the daily, yeah, I thought it would. I thought something would come together here, but as you can see, it's already about 11 o'clock market time, and this thing hasn't even made it past its open today. So, yeah, that's just gonna leave this one. Not gonna try and do anything else today. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Small update. Hopefully, there's some more action tomorrow. Adios.